As autonomous systems become increasingly part of our lives, in both the online and offline world, how can we be sure we can trust them? Based at Bristol Robotics Lab, the UKRI Trustworthy Autonomous Systems Node in Functionality, or TAS, looks at the design and development of autonomous systems in three key areas. Soft robots, designed to handle delicate tasks including medical applications. Aerial robots, for working in urban areas. And swarm robots that work together to solve complex tasks. TAS explores these robotic systems and the impacts they will have in the real world as they adapt to their environment and handle novel tasks. Our multidisciplinary teams tackle questions such as, if robots take over jobs like food packing, how will that affect people's livelihoods? If aerial robots are used on building sites, how do we make sure members of the public are kept safe? If swarm robots work together in a warehouse, how can we be sure they don't block a fire exit? By considering ethics, regulation, and verification as they develop these systems, the TAS team are identifying unexpected risks and producing guidelines for autonomous systems at every stage of development, so we can trust how they behave in our everyday lives. For more information on our TAS team's work, please visit our website.